hell inside me. Someday I'll accept what I have done. Sometime I'll leave the past behind me. For now, I accept who I've become. And now I see clearly. All these times I simply stepped aside. I watched but never really listened as the whole world passed me by. All this time I watched from the outside. Never understood what was wrong or what was right. I apologize. I apologize.
There's so much goddamn weight on your shoulders that you can't just live your motherfucking life. The story's getting old and my heart is getting colder. I just wanna be Jekyll, but I'm always fighting high. You got rocks in your head, I can hear them rolling round. You can say that you're above it, but you're always falling down. Is there a method to your madness? Is it all about pride? Seems everyone I know, they got a demon inside.
There's a demon inside. Sin City, they call the rising sun, and it's been the ruin of many a poor boy. God knows that I'm one. One day the shadows will surround me. All these times I simply stepped aside. I watched but never